Welcome to Get Out Go. I'm Christoph and this is my campsite review of Booyzynkraal. Booyzynkraal is located in Mpumalanga province of South Africa, around 2 hours drive from Johannesburg. The closest town is Emalahleni. Booyzynkraal is a 600-hectare nature farm on the Olifants River, nestled between Witbank Dam, Middelburg Dam and Loskop Dam. The landscape features large rock formations, lush soft bushveld and flowing streams. The escarpment has some spectacular views. There are two main camping areas on the farm, the river camp and bush camps. The river camp is a large camp on the bank of the Olifants River. It's ideally suited for larger groups. The stands are open with good shade. The river camp features rustic ablutions with an outside scullery, shower, basin and toilet. Hot water is provided with a donkey, a fire water heater. There are also open air ablutions for hotter days. The bush camps are located on the escarpment with lovely views of the valley below. These are aimed at the more adventurous overlander as they have no facilities. There are basic ablutions planned for the future though. There are 5 bush camps to choose from and they are well separated from each other. To access these camps you need a 4x4 with high clearance and low range. No off-road caravans or trailers are allowed at these camps. Activities at Booyzynkraal include catch and release fishing, hiking, mountain biking and a guided 4x4 trail. The trail also requires a high clearance 4x4 with low range and has an additional cost. Booyzynkraal is an amazing getaway. It truly feels like you're in the middle of nowhere, but you're just 2 hours away from the city. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, get out there.